So everyone, so sorry I haven't been uploading in a few weeks. Now today I'd just like to demo another model. This is the model I demoed a few weeks ago. See if I could get hold of the. Okay, maybe I should go like this. Okay, so I demoed these Origami Tetris pieces. This is the I, sorry. The two L's, the S's, the square, and the T. Now, like I said, if you didn't watch that video, they all formed from 6x6 grids. This specifically is made out of 5x6. These two I think are also 5x6s. And these two, all the rest are all folded from 2 sheets of paper. So yeah. Now it was a pretty cool model, but the only flaw, it had one flaw, and that was that it didn't have closed ends. See, like the T, it had open ends, open. They all had open ends. So recently, a few weeks ago, actually like 10 hours ago since this recorded, the Bagel Origami posted a new video, Origami Tetris 2.0. So these are slightly smaller, as you can see. This is a bit messy on that side, but if you go on this side, it's pretty clean. So, now these actually have closed ends. So these actually have closed ends, whereas these are bigger, but they don't have closed ends. Now the 2.0 Tetris pieces are made from 8x8 grids, and they're all folded from 1 sheet of paper, as you can see. One sheet. Now I thought the hardest was the S. It was just super confusing to learn. The L is probably the easiest. T is probably the second easiest. L is probably the third easiest. Well, the square was also pretty easy, but the S's are the hardest maybe. So if you compare these pieces, I'm just gonna. Now, what's cool is that the miniature 2.0 L is that if you compare it to the normal I, sorry, it actually goes exactly to that crease. I'm not sure if you can see, but it goes to that crease of the paper. So I'm just gonna put them side by side so I can show you like the size difference in them. I'm just gonna put them on each other. Okay. Now I ran out of some of the colors that I made the originals from, so I used different colors. But anyways, this is like the size comparison. I'm not sure after all of that. Yeah, barely. Back a bit. Okay. So yeah, now if you compare, now the new versions are like a lot more sturdy because they have the closed ends. And if I show you the T pieces, 2.0 version, they're basically the same thing, but the 2.0 version just a lot cleaner, as you can see. And same with the square. See, the old version had all of these lines and creases inside of it, but the new version is just creases. So yeah, I will link the Bagel Origami he's the one who designed this. I will link his channel, the link down below. And also, if you want me to make a tutorial, you just comment down below, and I'll make a tutorial on these pieces. So yeah, next video is coming out pretty soon. So yeah, until then, bye bye.